Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. This is Khawaja, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Learn English with Mr. Khawaja. Here on this channel, I help you speak English. I help you improve your English, and you do it as you practice with me. Let's start. It's lesson number 9 today, and today's lesson is about odd expressions and natural expressions. Odd expressions means which are not correct, which are not appropriate, and natural expressions means which are correct. And it will be in the form of questions and answers as you practice with me. Question number 1. Would you put your books on the side and come for lunch? Put something on the side. It does not mean that putting something on its proper place. The correct expression is to put something away. So the correct question is, would you put your books away and come for lunch? Repeat after me. Would you put your books away and come for lunch? It's your lunch time. Sure, I'm coming. Now the second question, do you always pay attention to the traffic when you cross the road? When you're crossing the road, you look around, you don't pay attention, you are not reading something, you are not listening to someone. Actually, you are looking around to be cautious. So to be cautious, here you don't need to pay attention, you need to look out for something. So the expression is to look out for something. So for the correct expression, repeat after me. The question is, do you always look out for the traffic when you cross the road? Do you always look out for the traffic when you cross the road? Repeat after me. Do you always look out for the traffic when you cross the road? Yes, I always look out for the traffic when I cross the road. The next question, what do you think about this movie? Here, from think about, you mean to have an opinion about, whereas think about is not for that. If you really want to ask about the movie, how the movie is, then the question is, what do you think of the movie? What do you think of the movie that you have just seen? Repeat after me. What do you think of the movie? And the answer is, I think of it as a very good movie. I think of it as a very good movie. Now the next question, is she working here temporary? It is wrong. It is odd expression. The correct expression now, repeat after me. Is she working here for the time being? So instead of temporary, here you need for the time being. For the time being means for a short time, which is not permanent. Repeat after me. Is she working here for the time being? Yes, she's working here for the time being. And the next question, how long did it take you to come over your flu? Come over, it's not correct. Overcome is correct or get over is correct. Overcome or get over, both are correct, but come over is not correct. Some people make this mistake. They say, how long did it take you to come over your flu? Now repeat after me for the correct expression. How long did it take you to overcome your flu? How long did it take you to get over your flu? And the answer, it took me about 1 week to get over my flu or illness or whatever. It took me about 1 week to get over my flu. It took me about 1 week to get over my illness. Repeat after me. How long did it take you to get over your cold? How long did it take you to get over your illness? How long did it take you to get over your flu? It took me about 1 week to get over my flu. The next expression, the next question. Will you hang on my coat in the closet? Hang on. Hang on is different. Here you need hang up. Will you hang up my coat in the closet is correct. Will you hang on my coat in the closet is wrong. It is odd expression. Some people make this mistake. They say, will you please hang on this coat in the closet? And closet is different from cupboard. Cupboard is on its own structure outside the wall. And closet, C-L-O-S-E-T, closet is built inside the wall. If it is inside the wall for your hangers, that is closet. And if it is very big, you can walk in that closet, that is called wardrobe. Repeat after me. Will you hang up my coat in the closet? Sure, I will. Give it to me and I'll hang it up. Give it to me and I'll hang it up. I'll hang it up in the closet. Now, the next question. Why did they leave him from the list? Why did they leave him from the plans? Leave someone from something. This is not correct. Leave someone out of their plans, out of the list. That is correct. So here you don't need from, you need out. Repeat after me. Why did they leave him out of their plans? Why did they leave him out of the list? Repeat after me. Why did they leave him out of the list? Why did they leave him out of their plans? Answer. They have left him out of their plans because he is not a good player. He is not physically fit now. Why did they leave him out of the list? He is left out because he is not physically fit now. So these were natural expressions today that I have shared with you. Keep repeating, keep improving. If you keep repeating, definitely you will keep improving. Take care. Have a good day. Goodbye.